be showing you a tutorial for a basic spin and hand roll with the bow staff. If you guys are looking into getting a bow staff, I will leave a link in the description below for where to get some good ones. But if you are ready to go and you already have one, then go ahead and grab your bow staff and we're gonna get started with the video. Okay, so to start off, I want you guys to start off with both of your hands in front of you like this. You're gonna grab the bow staff right in the middle of one hand like this. I'm gonna use my left hand. Make sure you're grabbing over the bow staff. I call this an overhand grip. Now we have two sides of the bow staff. One is the side that your thumb is pointing towards to, and the other side is the side that your pinky is closest to. You're gonna take the side that your thumb is closest to, you're gonna point it down to the ground, and you're gonna go all the way behind your back. Make sure that when you grab, both of your fingers are facing down like this. From here, you're gonna let go with the left hand. You're gonna point your thumb side all the way back down to the ground and bring it back to the front. Let's try that again. You're gonna have to be holding only with one hand. Thumb side goes down towards the ground. Take it behind the back. Switch hands. Thumb side goes down towards the ground, back to the front. Let's go ahead and try that a little bit faster a couple times. 1, 2, 3. Now that you have that down, we're gonna take it one step further. So we're gonna go all the way around the back to the front. Now, instead of just grabbing it, what I want you to do is make your palm face up towards the ceiling. You're gonna spin your bow staff towards your hand and grab it. Now you're gonna keep spinning it, point your thumb side down towards the ground, take it behind the back to the front just like normal. When you get to this point, don't forget your palm side up on top of your hand. You're gonna spin the bow staff towards your hand, grab it, take it all the way around the back, just like this. Get used to doing that a couple times. We're gonna take it even one step further if you got that down. Starting over, all the way behind your back to the front. Lift your hand up. Instead of grabbing this first part of the stick, I want you to keep spinning past it and grab the second side, like this. So you're gonna go all the way around. Don't grab the first one, skip it, grab the second one. It's gonna give you an extra half spin, which just makes it look a little bit fancier, a little bit nicer. And go ahead and practice that a couple times. You're gonna have to practice this like more than 100 times until you get it down where you don't even have to think about it. But don't worry, you will get there. Okay, now we're gonna add in the hand roll part. To add in the hand roll, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my right hand, put your right hand right in the middle. You're using an overhand grip again. And the side that's closest to your pinky, I want you to go a little bit off to that side, so we're a little bit offset. This side is longer, this side is shorter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spin the long part of your bow staff towards the back of your hand like this, okay? What you're gonna do, I'm gonna use this other hand just to show you guys, but I'm gonna let go of the bow staff. It's gonna roll around the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna grab the other side like this. So if we do it all the way, it looks like this. One more time, like that. That is a basic hand roll. Make sure that you're not throwing the bow staff, because that's an entirely different trick. You want it to be touching your hand the entire time. Now we're gonna combine this all with the first part of the trick that we learned. So we're gonna start with your bow staff right in front of you like this. Point it down around the back like we practiced earlier. When you come back to the front, before reaching up to grab it and continuing the spin, you're gonna do that first hand roll that we practiced. As soon as you catch it, same thing, stick your left hand in, grab it around the back, and just like normal, hand roll, grab it, spin around the back, hand roll, grab, spin around the back. The more that you practice this and the better that you do it, the more comfortable you're gonna feel with adding some speed. And there you go, you have a nice new trick to add in your bow staff form. Alright guys, I really hope that this video was helpful. If you guys want to see some more bow staff tutorials, make sure that you comment below. Also hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any Taekwondo videos. This is my Taekwondo channel. I have a vlogging channel. On my vlog channel, I show you my travels, competitions, and just random day in the life of a Taekwondo athlete. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!